All right, group one.
Alright, so then what we did, what I did, I know she did. I sewed kale, yeah, all up in there. Got me a little stick, it's thick. I used the growing medium, Sterling Perlite, yeah.
Y'all can help each other out in this video. That's cool. And you both chose to put your faces in the video.
For Shosky.
Okay, just make. What about you?
I did.
Okay, I need that verbal in the video. All right, y'all so funny. What else? What about the tops? You both have tops.
Let me tell you what I did. I stuck like I made the whole too big because it was a little slow. That's okay. And I put a cotton ball. So did 2 cotton balls. So it's like one stuffed in there, kind of sticking, and then it's in the water. So it's going straight like that. Now what you did?
Same thing. I used a string instead. My hole ain't too big. And it's gonna suck the water in. Let the kale grow.
Period.
All right, and what did you sew, Miss Wolf? You did kale, and you also did kale, right?
So did.
All right, now why'd you put the popsicle sticks?
Boom. I did mine because, I just seen them do it before. You be in a Walmart, they had a little stuff out there. I was like,
I'll get it for aesthetic.
No food.
Okay, now it is aesthetically nice. However, you should have your name and what you sewed on the popsicle stick. In the event your label smears.
Right.
Okay?
You smart.
So you have to make sure you have a label on yours, okay? All right, is that all you all want to say?
Sure is.
All right, what'd you learn from this?
That I should do this again.
Yes.
At home.
I learned how to do it. Beautiful. So great.
All right, good job, you all.